Hello, my name is Gerald Ringer, founder of Python Data Camp. I've been in the technical training for over 20 years, and I have a master's degree in instructional design technology from Cal State University Fullerton. I have full programs in UX, design, digital marketing, web development, business analytics, and data science, currently running at community colleges. Today I would like to introduce you to a special program running in Newport Beach, California at 1000 Avocado Avenue near Coast Highway. There is free parking, ocean view for small groups of 2 to 4 students. There's rooms with ocean views, free coffee. We currently have 4 programs in the area of data analysts. We have a business analytics, data science, or science professional certificate from IBM, and our Python Data Camp certificate. We are now in the era of big data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. According to a new report from IBM Marketing Cloud, 90% of the data in the world today has been created in the last 2 years alone, and every 2 years we generate 10 times as much data. This certification is from Duke University, and it will take you anywhere from 2 to 5 months, and we recommend 4 hours a week of instructor-led and homework of about 10 hours a week. You can maybe finish in 2 to 3 months. And the certificate is called Excel to MySQL Analytic Techniques for Business Specialization. There's 5 courses. The first one is Business Metrics for Data-Driven Companies. The second one is Mastering Data Analysis in Excel. The third class is Data Visualization with Communication with Tableau. The fourth course would be Managing Big Data with MySQL. And the fifth course is a capstone. The second certificate that we offer is a world-class, very challenging data science certificate from Harvard, and it uses the programming language R, which is one of the most popular programming language used in data analytics and statistics. The third certificate that we offer is a certificate from IBM called the Data Science Professional. This is an intense 9-course program that could take you anywhere from 3 to 6 months to get through, and it uses Python as a programming language. Python Data Camp also has several other certificates that you may be interested in. If you're just starting out and want to get your basic Excel analytics and statistics skill set, or learn some Python and Pandas data science libraries, or perhaps play around with R, we do have free certificates that we do offer for students that are just getting started, and we require about 40 hours worth of work, and then we give you a certificate of completion from Python Data Camp. There's absolutely no charge for this, so it's a public service, so give us a call if you're interested in getting started. We also have programs that lead to certificates in UX design, digital marketing, and web developer. And our most popular class is the Front-End Developer Essentials, which allows you to learn everything you need to know to have a good foundation to either learn UX design, web developer, or digital marketing. Offer several pricing options. For September, we are offering a $695 career coaching and training services for only $395. This includes a career consultation, resume review, LinkedIn review, skill assessment. Program Focus will help you choose the right program and educate you about all the different types of programs that we offer that are quite extensive. And then also includes 4 one-on-one technical training sessions to get you started. Our second special is our $695 package. It includes assistance with your online portfolio, 16 private instructor trainer sessions, there's up to 2 hours each, thousands of hours of curated independent learning, industry recognized certifications, and internship opportunities for the front-end developer, UX design, and digital marketing programs. As an added value, we allow our customers who start with a new career at $395 package. If within 6 months they want to upgrade to the special, they can apply the $395 and get a complete reduction against the regularly priced $1695 course. If you still need more instruction, we do have a very convenient package program for beginning and intermediate topics. You can get the first list of ratings. If you want something very more complex like SciPy Learn Kit for data analysis, machine learning, or React or Angular, definitely advanced programming and things like that. Then we have a different rate for 1, 5, or 10 hours for a expert instructor.